What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, like I said before, we're gonna be working on my friend's truck. This is gonna be the first time you're gonna see this truck on my channel, and I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough outside, inside, in the engine bay, and I'm gonna show you what this truck's all about. It's a very special truck. It's really clean. It's one of the cleanest trucks he was able to find here locally, and I'm just gonna show it to you. There's gonna be a lot of work done to this truck coming soon. We're gonna be dropping it. We're gonna be upgrading a couple things. There's not much to fix or upgrade on this truck because of this truck's so clean, and it was well built. So I'm gonna just give you a quick walkthrough and you tell me what you think. I'm gonna start from the front. I'm gonna walk around the truck. I'm gonna show you inside, and yeah, so this is my buddy's truck right here. Hopefully you guys can see it as well as I can right here, because this is super bright. This is a super bright color, and the paint job is amazing. This truck is a 1986 Chevy C10, half ton, of course, and as you can see, it's in pristine condition. Hopefully the camera is capturing how well built this truck is. It's got that late 80s, early 90s look for sure, but that's about to change. I'm gonna talk to you more about what we're gonna do in a minute, but for now, just take a look at the paint job, the body, everything done to this truck. It's really nice. It's got the LED lights here, sequential LED tail lights. Very well taken care of. Inside the bed, super clean as well. I think it's got the bed liner back here, and it's got a couple holes here and there. Not sure what that's for. A couple holes, but everything overall, everything is clean. And these right here, I'm not sure what these are called, but those are very unique to these type of trucks, and this truck has them. Right now it's sitting on 15 by 10, I believe, and what is it, tire size 295 50 15s, which it looks period correct for this type of truck. Whoever built this truck from scratch, they were focusing on that era, like 90s type of trucks here. Around same thing on this side. Super clean truck, and I'm gonna show you the inside of this truck, which again, it's super clean. Take a look at this. Everything is here. It's got a custom sound system, bucket seats, aftermarket bucket seats, steering wheel. Oh, by the way, this is the steering wheel I fixed on the previous video. So if you watched that video, this is the piece I fixed on that one. Dakota digital gauges here. Vintage air. It's super clean. Look at this, guys. Let me move the seat back. Look at that. It's got 2 10s, I believe, back here. Really nice. And the headliner. It's a custom headliner with speakers. The radio, the head unit is up here. Super clean. Everything it's nice. I'm gonna go around the other side. Well, before I go around the other side, I'm gonna show you the shifter. It's a B&M shifter. It's down here instead of the column. Not sure if he's gonna leave that, because maybe in the future the plan is to build probably a center console, which most likely I'm gonna be building that. Not sure yet. He's gonna enjoy it the way it is now, but most likely in the future he's gonna be asking me to build a center console for him. That's coming down the road. On this side, as you can see here, it's a 2500. I believe this is based on Cheyenne's. This is based on like Mexican style trucks built in Mexico. If you guys don't know this, these trucks were built, I believe, until 90 or 91 in Mexico. And this is the look the previous owner went with. Let me open this door here, and then I'll show you what it looks like in here as well. Everything is super clean. Sub box back there. And the one thing that we're gonna be replacing is the glove box here, because that's broken. That's the only thing that it's broken on this truck. Cool. Now, the cool part is gonna be what's under the engine bay here. That was another cool factor, another selling factor for my friend. And before I do that, I'm gonna show you here. We have the bass amp here, the bass knob, epicenter. He's got a couple lights here. This is how you control the with this knob here, you control the Dakota digital here. All right, so let's take a look at what we have under the hood. Look at this beauty here, guys. This is an LS swap truck already. This one here is a 5.3 LS swap truck. Like I said, it's got vintage AC. We might be relocating that computer because as you can see, that's not the best place for it. It's just sitting there. Maybe, not sure if we can do something about that. Maybe we can hide it. That way you can look, the engine bay can look that much better. But yeah, look at those covers. Aluminum radiator. He just put this hood insulation here because this truck didn't have it. But yeah, this is the truck we're gonna be working with. All right, so this was just the introduction of the truck to the channel. We're gonna be doing a lot of upgrades. We're gonna be dropping the truck, swapping up. We're gonna be swapping out the wheels and tires. We're gonna drop it. We're gonna do a 5.7 drop on this, so the look is gonna be completely different. So the next video you see about this truck, that's when where we're gonna be working on it. We're gonna be doing all that stuff. He already has the wheels, the tires, the drop, everything he wants to do. He wants to change it up a little bit. So stay tuned for that, and let me know if you guys have any questions about the truck. I'll be answering any questions you guys might have. Put it down in the comment section below. Other than that, thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to share it if you haven't done that. Oh, one more thing before I go. We're gonna be attending Dino's Get Down this year. So this truck is gonna be there right next to my OBS. If you guys wanna come over, if you guys wanna say hi to us, just come on over, and I'm gonna be glad to say hi to you guys and meet you guys. So don't forget about that. It's coming November 15th. We're gonna be there. All right, until then, peace out, and see you guys later.